Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can open Barclays bank account online step by step. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy method, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and then here we go. Now I'm right over here in my browser. I have typed in Barclays open account. Make sure you do that as well. And then you're going to find this option of open a bank account online. Go ahead, tap on it. And as soon as you do that, this is how the interface is going to look like. You can see current accounts, Barclays bank account, flexible rewarding banking, no monthly fee, etc, etc. First thing first, you can simply choose to tap on compare and compare it, and then get the more information that you prefer. They are simply given the topics at the bottom for how you would like to have the comparison list. Then afterwards you're done, tap on the option of apply. You can see apply for a sole Barclays bank account. You will have to get the Barclays app. You have to be over 18, you have to have a UK mobile number, you have to provide the profile identity and passport or driving license, and then you simply have to do that app, download the app, and make sure you fit and you're eligible, and then you will be able to make it. Now you also have option of apply online. You can see there's a little icon, tap on apply online for that, and now you will find this kind of form popping up. Are you currently resident in the UK or not? You can choose to simply answer them right, and once you are done doing that, then you will be able to tap on continue. But for that, you simply have to provide this information as well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and skip that. You simply have to provide through all of the information and the documents. Once you have given them all, then you will be able to simply create yourself an account. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.